and over here I have used same option, fade option. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. This is Sushant from Switch to Y. Previously I have uploaded two videos called lyric video, and before that I have created one more how to create lyric video using LumaFusion and other app. In this video we are going to learn how to create lyric video. This is whole video only created only using LumaFusion, no other third party app is used. So we are going to see step by step what is needed to create this type of lyric video. So for that, first you will see the clip called looping video. If you see my this background clip, this is the background clip, trees and beach area. Okay, so for that you will need to create a loop video. In this video we are going to learn how to create loop videos, and loop videos are very much popular on social medias for its simplicity. Okay, it seamlessly plays and plays. In this video it's continuously playing without any cuts. So in this part 1 we are going to learn how to create loop videos using two methods. There are two methods to create this type of video. First is a fade out method and second is a reverse back method. So let's start with the tutorial. So I have downloaded the clip. This is the same clip, you will see it. I have just reverse the clip, means I will flip the clip like this. Okay, and I have did some color grading. Will show you here in colors and effects. I think it's warm. Okay, so here we have that effect. I will slightly increase the brightness, I think a little bit. Now it's looking good. Okay, so we color grade the footage. The first step is create the dummy clip, like creating overlay title like this. Okay, and duplicate it and put it here. Okay, and just make a 2-second clip. Okay, like this. It is a 2-second clip. Sorry, it's raining outside. If you are able to hear any noise, sorry for that. Now we have created this dummy clip. You will get to know why we have created this, to make an exact cut of 2 seconds. So what we are doing, it's a 10-second clip. We are going to minus 2, so it will be of 8 seconds. Like this we split the clip, and now what we have to do, just hit duplicate like this and move this bottom clip to the end of the clip like this. Okay, and move this dummy clip above the end of the first clip like this. We have to slightly arrange it properly. Now select this bottom clip and drag it to 2 seconds like this. Okay, and make a split cut. Okay, now you understood why we minus this portion to attach here. Okay, so all the magic will happen here. Now delete this reference clip. Now move everything to the start point and adjust this bottom clip to the end of the clip nicely. Okay, it's perfect. Now what you have to do, you have to tab on this button, back button, and it will hit to the minus 2 seconds. Okay, of the 8-second clip. Now go to edit, select the first clip, this one, and go to edit. In frame and fit, go to blending mode. Okay, here we have the first keyframe at 6 frame. Okay, and hit the end point, create another keyframe and in the blending mode the end part will be 0 0 like this. This portion will be 100, this portion will be 0 0. Okay, and go back to the timeline and I will just hide this clip to know. See this, it's fading out to the black. Okay, and the rest, when it's fade out, it will do the magic of recurring the clip. That's all we have to do for this clip. Okay, you must need a good elevational photo to create this type of loop video. You will need a elevational photo, and it has to be on tripod. If you're trying to do the shot on handheld shots, it will not work properly. Okay, so compulsory you will need a tripod for this. And keep in mind, this effect will work with few elements, like here you will see the water, sky and tree. If you have lots of elements in that, it will not work. I will show you another way when you have so many cars and other things. Okay, in the second method. So this is the first fade method. So we have created this fading effect. Now what will we do? We will export this photos, change to last, means it will be in 4K economic, or you can select web. Okay, hit export. Now go to loop video, create a new project folder like this, drag this to the bottom of the main timeline and duplicate it. Just we are going to play it. See, it will be smooth and loop video. I will show you one more effect. I will show you a more example of this. Same I did with this Hindi lyric video. See this. This is the clip main. I use same method, fade method, to loop this video. I will show you more. Okay, see this. It's in train, outside the window I have shown some fantasy world. Okay, here I will show you how I created this using second method. Here is the basic clip. This is a train clip of 5 seconds. Okay, it's I have done nothing till now. See, everything is empty. And here we have a fish, jellyfish. Okay, first I am going to drag this over here like this. Okay, and now first we are going to create the loop of this train. See, if I use the first method, what will happen? I will keep the clip aside. If I try to use first method, see what will happen. I will create a dummy clip of 1 second. As there is no thumb rule, previously I used 2 seconds. In this I am using 1 second because my clip is very short. That clip is about 10 seconds. Okay, keep in mind, fade effect works perfectly when you have 1 second duration, 2 second duration. Don't go beyond 3 second duration. It will everyone will catch it that you have given the fade effect. So don't use more than 2 seconds. Okay, so what I will do, I will split this clip again like this, and I will make the duplicate of it. I will select the bottom clip. We'll move to the end of the first clip. Now select this and move it above, and select the bottom clip again and drag it to the 1 second. okay, and make a split and delete that portion. Okay, delete this portion also and go back to the 1 second of this clip, edit, okay, and go to blending mode. In frame and fit, click first keyframe, second keyframe and minus it. See what will happen, it will not work properly because it will get noticed. See this, see this here you will get to know. See this, it happens that transition has happened. Okay, so for that type of video, for this type of video, shaky video, what you will do, I will delete this and I will delete the blending option. Okay, and what you have to do, make it till 5 again, it's 5 seconds. Make a duplicate of it and put it the end of the clip like this and go to edit. We have selected the second clip, go to this speed and reverse option and hit reverse. Okay, so what will happen, it will create a reverse loop and it will look like it's playing seamlessly. See this. Okay, so we don't have that obvious effect over here. Okay, so this first part is ready. Now I will bring this clip to the bottom over here. Okay, now I will go to this train clip again. I will go to frame and fit, blending mode, and I will select screen. Okay, as I hit the screen, you will see the bottom clip, it's coming forward. Okay, go back and do this same for the second clip. Blending mode to the screen. Okay, go back. Now we have to adjust this bottom clip. Okay, now what I will do, I will turn the little bit like this, I will scale down little bit, and here in crop I will try to crop the clip like this because we don't want all this unwanted part, and I will use corner radius, not too much, and I will use edge softener so it will work very seamlessly. Okay, it's working very seamlessly now, we don't see any cuts over here. Okay, yes, perfect, and hit the duplicate and paste it over here like this. We'll go to edit and see the reverse effect. To add the reverse effect, see, now we are going to play that loop video just using reverse option. Okay, here is the original one that I have created. I did a little bit of color grading over here. I will explain you again when you have to use reverse option and when you have to use the fade option. Over here, when you have this type of time lapse, still time lapse, that time you are going to use fade option. See this. Okay, and it will work seamlessly. See this, I will duplicate it and put this clip over here like this. Okay, and play it. This clip is made only using fade option, fade method. So I will edit and see, I've used blending mode over here. See this. Okay, and over here I have used same option, fade option. Okay, and here is the Paris using fade option. I will talk about this clip. In this clip, I have not used a fade option. What will happen if I use the fade option? It will add the blurriness to the clip, and everyone will notice that they have added the fade transition to loop the clip when we use fade option. So that's why I have reversed the clip. Say this, it will reverse the clip, but it's not noticeable. But if you look at the clip carefully, you will see the reverse effect from the second clip. Okay, over here I have used for this type of clip fade effect. See this, it's working very seamlessly. I have another effect here. To create this type of, I have used reverse option for the second clip. Okay, while exporting you need only this part just to showcase you about the looping. That's why I have copy paste the clip over here. Okay, so this is the first part of the video, how to create the loop videos for the project, so you can play with it. And in the second part I will show you the text animation, how to create this text animation for your lyric video. So thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, then give a big thumbs up and share with your friends. I will be continue with part 2. Thank you.